Okay, so right here we have this very beautiful native plant right here. This is Viola sororia, also known as the wild violet. These are native to pretty much the eastern half of the USA. They grow pretty far north and pretty far south. I'm in Michigan, and you can see they have these just absolutely gorgeous flowers right here. And so if you see these in your lawn, they are native, even though they're very aggressive. It's actually a good thing because they can compete with invasive species, and they're very tough. So they're a great plant if you're trying to grow it on purpose, or if you simply like these. And they are perennial, and they do spread. So these are, like I said, these are a great plant if you want a lawn alternative. It's native, they're naturally short, and they can, spread by roots, by rhizomes, I think technically, and seeds. So they can spread in a lot of different ways, but they're very great for wildlife. They're a host for many, many different butterfly species and insects. And again, of course, they have these beautiful flowers that are great for the pollinators as well. So these are just an awesome plant to have around. So if you see these in your lawn or in your yard in general, don't kill them. They're amazing. They're beautiful, and they're super good for the wildlife. And again, these would be a great native lawn alternative. I always hear people talking about clovers and stuff. A lot of the clovers people grow here in the U.S. are actually invasive species from Europe and Asia. And again, these are a native, plant that would be a great lawn alternative that, stays naturally short, very tough, drought resistant, grows in almost any soil, has these beautiful flowers. These are so beneficial to wildlife. They can also come in different colors naturally. This cluster specifically is pretty much all purple, but you will see some occasionally that are, sort of white, or like an in-between, purplish white. So you'll see all kinds of different sort of colors naturally occurring of these, but it's pretty much the same species. Anyway, very beautiful plant, great to have around. I'm so happy these are growing. I always look forward to seeing these in the spring. And just for fun, we'll zoom in on one. Look at that beautiful flower. My phone will focus on it. Such amazing detail. It's hard to get my phone camera to not be blurry. Look at that. Looks like it brushes up on the pollinator to get pollen on it, or maybe to receive pollen. I can't tell from here, but super cool. And then you can see those beautiful leaves. Now these will get a lot bigger in the summer, the leaves will, but their max height in the summer is probably about here. So they don't get that tall. They're a very short plant. Again, these would make a great native ground cover. They do also tolerate part shade, but they do prefer full sun when given the choice, but part shade will work too. And yeah,